Welcome to Day 28, the 60-day AMA program. Here are the highlights from the session. This session focused on adding BlockDAG network to Trust Wallet and MetaMask wallets. With the upcoming token allocation airdrop, it is critical that token holders have their wallets set up correctly and have added the BlockDAG network to their BDAG wallet address. Why is this important? This ensures that the airdrop delivers token holders' allocations directly to their DAG account in their wallet. Can I set it up and test on the Awakening testnet? The answer is yes, and in this session, we'll guide you through setting up BlockDAG's Awakening testnet on two popular wallets, MetaMask and Trust Wallet, using Google Chrome. This will help you explore our network ahead of the mainnet launch, so you can try out Awakening testnet before the big day. We'll cover how to install each wallet and then how to manually add the BlockDAG network with the proper RPC and Explorer info. Let's dive in. First up, MetaMask. It's one of the most widely used crypto wallet extensions. How do we install MetaMask on the Chrome browser? Installing MetaMask is straightforward. 1. Download the extension. Go to the official Chrome web store and search for MetaMask, or visit MetaMask's official website to get the Chrome extension link. Click Add to Chrome and approve the installation. 2. Create or import wallet. Once installed, click the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser toolbar. You'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. If new, set up a strong password. 3. Secure your seed phrase. MetaMask will show you a 12-word secret recovery phrase. Back this up securely, write it down and store offline. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you ever need to reinstall or use MetaMask on another device. Never share it with anyone. 4. Complete setup. Confirm your seed phrase as instructed. After that, your MetaMask wallet is ready to use on Ethereum by default. Once MetaMask is set up, how can users add the BlockDAG network, specifically the Awakening testnet, to MetaMask? By default, MetaMask is set to Ethereum or other popular networks, so we need to add BlockDAG's network parameters manually. Here's how to do it. 1. Open MetaMask and access network settings. Click on the network dropdown at the top of the MetaMask window. It might say Ethereum mainnet by default. In the Network Selector menu, click Add Network, sometimes labeled Custom RPC in older versions. This opens a form to add a custom network. 2. Enter BlockDAG network details. Input the BlockDAG Awakening testnet parameters in the form's fields as follows. Network name, which is Awakening testnet. You can name it anything, but it's helpful to use the official name. 2. New RPC URL, which is https://rpcawakening.dagscan.com. This is the official RPC endpoint for the Awakening test network. 3. Chain ID, which is 1043. This unique ID identifies BlockDAG's testnet. Make sure it's correct, 1043, so MetaMask recognizes the chain. 4. Currency symbol, which is BDAG. This is the native token symbol on BlockDAG. 5. Block Explorer URL, which is https://awakening.dagscan.com. This is the official BlockDAG Awakening Explorer, which lets you view transactions and accounts. 6. Save the network. After filling in those details, double-check them, as typos in RPC URLs or chain ID will cause connection issues. Then click Save. MetaMask will add the new network and automatically switch to it. Once saved, you should see Awakening testnet, or whatever you named it, as the selected network at the top of MetaMask. Your wallet address stays the same, but now any balances or transactions shown are on BlockDAG's testnet. Safety tip. Always obtain network details like RPC URL, chain ID, etc. from official sources. In our case, we got these from BlockDAG's docs. Avoid using random RPC info from unverified posts or DMs because malicious actors might circulate fake RPC endpoints. Stick to the official BlockDAG documentation or announcements for the correct parameters. So with MetaMask configured for BlockDAG's testnet, you can interact with BlockDAG dApps or send BDAG on the testnet. What about Trust Wallet? That's another popular option, especially for the Binance community. Next up, Trust Wallet. Again, it's one of the most widely used crypto wallet extensions. How do we install Trust Wallet on the Chrome browser? Here's how to install it on Chrome. 1. Download the extension. Visit the Chrome Web Store and search for Trust Wallet. Make sure it's the official extension by Trust Wallet. Check the publisher and reviews. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. 2. Open Trust Wallet extension. After installation, click the Trust Wallet icon in your extension's toolbar. It will launch the wallet setup. 3. Create or import wallet. Just like with MetaMask, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet or import one. If you already use Trust Wallet on mobile, you can import that wallet by entering your secret recovery phrase, the 12-word phrase from your mobile app. Otherwise, create a new wallet and set a strong password for the extension. 4. Back up your secret phrase. Trust Wallet will display your secret recovery phrase. Back it up safely, write it down, and keep it private. This phrase is your backup to restore the wallet. Never share it. 5. Finish setup. Confirm the phrase as required. Once done, the Trust Wallet extension is ready. By default, it may show a multi-chain asset view or start on a network like Ethereum or BSC, since Trust Wallet supports many networks. How can users add the BlockDAG Awakening testnet network in Trust Wallet? Is it a similar process to MetaMask? Yes, it's similar. Trust Wallet extension allows adding custom EVM networks just like MetaMask. Here are the steps to add BlockDAG's testnet. 1. Open Network Settings. In the Trust Wallet extension, click the Settings menu, usually a gear icon or a menu at the bottom of the wallet interface. Then find and click Networks. You should see a list of networks. 2. Add Custom Network. In the Networks section, scroll if needed and click the Add Custom Network button. This brings up fields to enter a new network's details. 3. Enter BlockDAG details. Fill in the network info for BlockDAG's Awakening testnet, the same values as we used for MetaMask. 1. Network name, Awakening testnet or BlockDAG Awakening, as you prefer. 2. RPC URL, HEP. s://rpcawakening.bagscan.com. 3. Chain ID 1043. 4. Currency symbol BDAG. 5. Block Explorer URL http s://awakening.dagscan.com. 6. Save the network. After entering the details, click Add Custom Network or Save. The Trust Wallet extension will add BlockDAG's testnet to its list. 7. Select the new network. Once added, find Awakening testnet in your network list and select it to switch over. The wallet interface may now show Awakening testnet or BlockDAG as the active network. Now your Trust Wallet extension is connected to BlockDAG's Awakening testnet, just like MetaMask. You'll be able to see your BDAG balance on testnet, likely 0 BDAG until you acquire some test tokens, and interact with BlockDAG dApps via the extension. So both MetaMask and Trust Wallet are now configured for the Awakening testnet. How can users verify everything is working and maybe get some test BDAG to play around with? So what are the safety or troubleshooting tips for users adding networks to their wallets? Here are some tips to follow. 1. Double-check URLs. When adding the RPC URL, ensure it's exactly correct, as a misspelled RPC URL could connect you to an imposter server. The BlockDAG Explorer URL and faucet should also be exactly as per official links. 2. Official sources. As mentioned earlier, only use network info from official BlockDAG sources like our documentation or announcements. If you're ever in doubt, ask in our official community channels. Do not trust random DMs offering network settings or one-click network ad links unless they're from a source you can verify. 3. MetaMask warnings. MetaMask might show a warning when adding a custom network, reminding you that custom networks are not audited by MetaMask. This is normal. As long as you trust the BlockDAG network details and BlockDAG is the one providing them, you can proceed. 4. Trust Wallet versions. If using Trust Wallet's extension, keep it updated. They had a security incident with an older version in December 2025, which has since been fixed in newer versions. Always update to the latest version to have the latest security patches. 5. Never share private keys. Adding a network never requires you to input your private key or seed phrase. If any website or prompt ever asks for your 12 or 24 word phrase to add a network or fix an issue, it's a scam. The processes we described only ask for network info, nothing about your secret keys. 6. Switching networks. Remember that when you switch from one network to another in your wallet, your token balances that show up will change to that network's balances. If you don't see your tokens, you might be on the wrong network. For instance, if you're on Awakening testnet, you won't see real mainnet BlockDAG until mainnet is added and selected. Always ensure you're on the intended network when checking balances or sending transactions. So to summarize for everyone, install MetaMask or Trust Wallet on Chrome, secure your wallet, then manually add BlockDAG's Awakening testnet using the RPC URL, chain ID 1043, etc., provided by BlockDAG. This will let you explore the BlockDAG ecosystem in a test environment ahead of the mainnet launch. Try out the testnet by getting some test BDAG from the faucet and maybe make a test transaction. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with how BlockDAG works in practice. And when mainnet arrives, you'll be ready to add that network similarly and use your wallets with BlockDAG from day one. That wraps up the Day 28 AMA.